Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make this homemade butter bread. That is a hit wherever it goes. It turns out incredibly soft and melts in your mouth. It's quick, easy, and delicious. You just can't resist it. Your family will love this recipe. Start by adding 40 milliliters of oil to a bowl. Next, 1 egg. Then, half a teaspoon of salt. After that, 150 milliliters of warm milk. Next, 3 tablespoons of sugar and 10 grams of dry yeast. Mix these ingredients very well, and if you like easy recipes like this, go ahead and click the like button. After that, gradually add 400 grams of all-purpose flour and mix very well until fully incorporated. And let me know in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to know how far it will reach. When the dough becomes firmer, we will move it to the table and knead it by hand for approximately 10 minutes. After this time, notice that the dough has smoothed out and no longer sticks to your hands. This is the ideal consistency. Next, transfer the dough to a container with wheat flour. Then cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for about an hour. When the dough has doubled in volume, press it with your hands to release all the air. Then add a little wheat flour to the table and spread it out. We will roll out this dough using a rolling pin, making the following movements: forward, backward, and also to the sides. Leave the dough at a thickness of half a centimeter. Next, we will brush 2 tablespoons of melted butter over the entire dough. After completing this step, take a portion of the dough and roll it up in the following manner. This bread is an excellent option for breakfast or an afternoon snack. Once that's done, let's cut this dough into 10 pieces about the width of 2 fingers. Like this. After that, transfer these pieces of dough to a homemade bread pan, greased with margarine and flour. Then cover it with a cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. After this time, the next step is to brush the top of the bread with the yolk of an egg. Once the step is done, place it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. Our homemade butter bread is now ready. Now just turn it onto a plate and check out the result. And look how amazing this recipe turns out. Simply perfect. Make it at home, and I'm sure everyone will love it, and you won't regret it. If you've stayed until here, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. Subscribe for more recipes and see you in the next video.